Building your own app with AI is possible, but nobody is telling you the full story, so I'm going to do that today. Before I built Twinly, my entire coding background was C++ in high school, where I made a program that could simply balance a checkbook. That's it. That was my entire resume. When I made the decision to build a full-stack Chrome extension, I had no idea what I was actually walking into. Front-end UI, client-side logic, external API integration, browser-level permissions, all of that had to work together. And I didn't know what half of those things even meant when I started. And I think that's where most people stop. They see the complexity, they fill the gap, and they decide that they are not the right person for the job. Well, I didn't do that. I got a solid game plan together and handed it off to Claude Code. And here's the honest part, is that it still took me 50 plus hours to complete. That was back and forth, building things, breaking things, correcting errors, tweaking things here and there, and starting over in the places that didn't work. Now, there's a version of this story where I can tell you AI did everything and it was smooth the whole way through, but that would be a lie. Claude helped me build the front end, set up the legal pages, gated the access so nobody could just jump in and grab it, and it even flagged things that I hadn't thought of yet. But I still had to show up every single day and do the work. Here's what AI actually did for me. It closed the gap. The gap between where my skills were and where the project needed me to be. That gap used to be uncrossable without years of training or maybe a developer on your payroll. Well, now it's not. But you still have to walk across it. If you're thinking about building your own app or tool, here's what I want you to go in knowing. Expect the work, plan for the learning curve, and use AI to carry what you can't carry yet. That's the real formula. Not magic, not overnight, just the right tools and the willingness to figure it out. That is exactly what made it possible for me to build Twinly, and it's the Chrome extension that I actually built from scratch with zero coding background. And if I can build it, you can use it. So if you want to check it out, the link is in the description below. We would love to have you on the inside. Also, be sure you subscribe to our channel and hit that bell notification for all of the good AI content that we have coming up very soon.